The top button on the control panel is for your hot water. Click the button to scroll through the power options. You have mains electric with electric low or electric high, gas or gas and mains electric with low or high. Underneath hot water is the heating control, which is a very similar operation. For mains electric, there is a choice of electric low, medium or high, or you can choose gas. To the right of this is the controls for setting the caravan's temperature. The Swift command panel can also be used to control and set the heating and hot water.